Okay, so this is not going to be a long video because everyone who's taking this class took the class last semester. The only thing I wanted to point out was that we got one extra thing. So this is the module section. So we have the textbook here. Everybody should have the book already. This is if there were some students that had taken the first semester with someone else, which in this case is not happening. So we have our video quiz combinations, and we have our uploading the notes. I'll be putting assignment dates on here shortly. The main new thing is there are some additional videos, and they're optional. What they basically do is go through the kinds of problems that you have for your homework solutions. So you could watch this video, which would help explain how to do the homework, and then you could try the homework, and then you could upload the assignment. If you feel you don't want to do that, that's fine. This is just additional resources. So they're videos, but they're not quizzes. So whether you watch this or not, I have no idea. But if you feel like you need some additional examples of problems like the homework assignments, then you can watch it. Otherwise, everything's pretty much the same. You have your homework printout. I would ask you to do these on separate pieces of paper, notebook paper. Now, there are cases where I will give you some graph paper, and you can do the problems on the graph paper plus some separate paper. So, for example, if we come down here into chapter 6, actually, I think it's chapter 10, you'll see it says graph paper for ellipses. So that's for the homework assignments. But as far as the solution is concerned, I want you to put those on separate papers because it's kind of difficult to look at those homework assignments that I have, the PDF files, and try to see what you're doing, fitting them into such a small location. So again, homework, don't use the PDF sheets and write on them. I want you to work out the problems on a separate piece of paper. Otherwise, like I said, everything else is the same. You'll get to the end of the chapter when it's due, and there will be a test review video. There are 4 chapters. In this case, I'm going to do three tests, one for chapter 4, one for chapter 5, one for chapter 6. Chapter 10 will be on the exam, plus some additional stuff going back to the previous chapters.